So let's move on to the definition of mixed method design. So look at the name, mixed method design. You are using two or more different methodology in the study. So you are collecting, analyzing, interpreting qualitative and quantitative data in a single study. And then you're going to integrate or mix the two methodology. You can mix the data, you can mix the findings, you can mix the interpretation. So mixed method is all about collecting and analyzing, and interpreting qualitative and quantitative data in a single study, and also mixing the two methodologies. So mixing play a very crucial role, right? Without mixing, we don't call it mixed method. The fact that you are collecting qualitative and quantitative data in your study doesn't necessarily make your study a mixed method study. You have to ask yourself, where does the mixing take place? Because without mixing, then it's not a complete mixed method study. So